Listen.
Hang on.
What? No, it's better.
I wonder if I have the same periods too. Do you just tape this shit so you can show it to him next morning?